Imagine having an extra $6,000 in your bank account by this time next year. Let's make it happen. Saving $6,000 in a year sounds like a big deal, right? But breaking it down into just $125 a month makes it totally doable. That's less than your daily coffee fix. So where do we start? First, grab those grocery coupons. A few bucks saved here and there add up fast. Next, consider a side hustle. A few extra hours a week can boost your income without burning you out. And don't forget your library card. Free books, movies, and events can save you tons on entertainment. Plus, use credit cards wisely to earn rewards. Just remember to pay off the balance each month. Now, let's talk budgeting. Create a plan to track your income and expenses. Stick to it and watch your savings grow. Set SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound to keep you motivated. Differentiate your needs from your wants. Prioritize essentials and cut back on the rest. And hey, those financial apps? They're lifesavers for managing your budget. Negotiate your bills for better rates. Every dollar you save is a dollar towards your goal. And build an emergency fund, because life happens. Maximize your savings with a high-yield savings account. Even small contributions grow over time. Adjust your budget to handle rising living costs. Remember, it's all about consistency. Little by little, you'll get there. So start today, and by this time next year, you'll be $6,000 richer. Ready, set, save.